Hello YouTube. So if you guys caught my last video, you guys saw that the charger was down, check engine light. It was a misfire in cylinder number 6. I want to thank all of you guys that came in and gave me suggestions on possible problems on what's causing issues with the car. But after some testing, everything like that, what we determined was we had a bad injector. So we're trying to get one overnighted to the car here tonight, and we'll get it installed tomorrow. And once it gets installed, we'll just make sure everything works, and we'll be back in the game for some filming. Kind of a bad time for this to happen because I know RT Life's got his 8th mile challenge that, you know, without a car, can't really run it. So hopefully we'll get the car back tomorrow, but I just wanted to give you a quick update on what was wrong with the car, and then we'll be back into it. Awesome. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm trying to keep you guys up to date as best I can. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns.